Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to root your Android device. So this is going to be pretty easy because you just need your phone and your phone charge. Not a computer, not a wire or anything, just your phone. So the fun thing is that you're just gonna need your phone, that I already said, but you're gonna download an app and that's gonna root your phone for you, and you do not have to do anything unless you have done everything. Yeah, so you have to just follow the instructions. You have to do the steps, follow the steps or do the steps or do anything you want. No, not everything you want, but do what it's asked. I mean, you have to press the buttons, press root my device or something else. I will just see that what is the instructions. I will show you to you right now. So let's go and do this thing because I'm going to just annoy you. Okay, so step 1 is to run King Root on your Android device. So to download King Root, you have to go to Google and search for King Root and download it from its website. After that, you're gonna go and tap on the icon of King Root. This will start the app and you will have the interface, and then you will see a prompt saying that root access is unavailable. That's the message. Yeah, then click on start button, that start root, and it's gonna start rooting your device. It's gonna take time, but it's okay. So this is gonna start the rooting, and it may be restarting your device a few times or maybe not, but it's gonna get the work done, and then you're gonna have the phone rooted. So remember that your phone must be over 50% charged and not less than that. And you can do this with computer also. You can download the King Root app in the PC and then connect your phone there. But anyways, this video is about rooting without the computer. So it's like this. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and first of all follow me on Instagram, which is Aftab_Afridi, and peace out.